if high, but not too high. Top speed is what you're looking for in a beginner's best drone for traveling. You'll find it in the H37 Pocket Drone. If a light, foldable design is what you're looking for in a beginner's best foldable drone, you'll also find it in the H37 Pocket Drone. Yes, the drone can hold its own in both of these categories. The JJRC H37 Pocket Drone is an entry-level drone in every sense of the word, and that's okay. The 11 miles per hour top speed is more than enough to get your bearing and be able to fly the drone indoors in case weather conditions outside are less than optimal. And if weather permits, the drone weighs so little that it'll be a cinch to carry around. The JJRC H37 LFE foldable drone can attain a maximum speed of approximately 11 miles. Normally this would be considered unacceptable, but considering its price and the fact that it's an entry-level drone, it should be more than acceptable to get your bearings. But if you're confident in your piloting abilities and want something faster, try the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. While the speed of the H37 Pocket Drone may be acceptable, its flight time is not. Powered by a 400 mAh battery, the drone can achieve 6 to 7 minutes of flight time. Moreover, the charge time is approximately 1 hour. The charge time to flight ratio is unacceptable, so investing in more batteries is a must. Or you can check out the Auto EVO drone for far more impressive battery life. The drone weighs about half a pound, so it's easy to carry around with you. It's very lightweight, just like the Hubsan H122D. If that's not enough to convince you, its body is also foldable, which makes transportation even more of a breeze. If you do want something a little chunkier, consider the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. The H37 Pocket Drone also comes with cushioned propellers, which still allow the drone to fly if a crash does occur. Also, check our Cosmo Cone 160 portable drone review and our Holystone HS720 review for durable yet portable. Unlike the Ruko F11, the H37 Pocket Drone offers a 0.3 MP, 480p, Wi-Fi FPV camera. While the display may not be full HD quality, like the paired NFE drone, it's still more than enough to get the job done. Still, it's understandable why some people may be upset about not having full HD. Video can be streamed on your mobile device or tablet via the JJRC. What's more, the H37 doesn't require you to have a micro SD card to store videos. There are still plenty of excellent features packed into the H37 Pocket Drone. The control range is approximately 100 meters, which is more than enough for a beginner drone and complies with local laws about a drone operator being within 200 meters from their drone. Unfortunately, the remote control is constructed with only one analog stick, which eliminates the possibility of cool-looking aerial acrobatics. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.